Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile for extra privacy. This will help you control who sees your posts, pictures, and personal information. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. Then tap on Icon Settings at top. In the Settings page, you can either scroll down to find Profile Locking, tap on it once you find it. Now, you'll see a screen that explains what profile locking does. It will limit who can see your posts and profile picture. To lock your profile, simply tap on Lock Your Profile. Confirm the action, and your profile will be locked. Once your profile is locked, only your friends will be able to see your full-size profile picture and your posts. Anyone who's not your friend will only see limited information, and your timeline posts will default to friends only. And that's it! Your Facebook profile is now locked, providing more privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.